Hello children, today we are going to learn topic number 22nd, growth and personality development. All living things eat and grow physically. Similarly, we too grow in height and weight from birth to adulthood. Some of your friends will be more than you in height or weight, while some will be less, but they will all have gained in height and weight since they were in standard first or second. This is because the first 18 years are the growing years for all boys and girls. Small babies cannot do anything for themselves. If they need something, they can only cry and beat about with their legs and arms, but soon they begin to get control over some of their movements and develop coordination between different movements. For example, they learn to turn their head and look at something they choose. If they recognize someone, they smile. They learn to grip and hold things and then to take them towards their mouth. Achieving control of one's movements to learn to do something new is called learning a skill. As a baby learns various skills, the baby and everybody is happy. They praise the baby. The baby does the same things again and again. Thus, she gets a lot of practice with those skills and her strength also builds up. Slowly, she begins to do the newly learned tasks more easily and without making mistakes. That is, her efficiency increases. As we grow, our height and weight increases. With age, our physical strength also increases. At the same time, we keep learning new skills. In this way, every individual makes progress. This is called development. Try to observe a cow or a cat to find out all that she does for her young ones and also all the things that the calf and the kitten learn to do on their own. These animals learn from their mother the skills of obtaining their food, protecting themselves from the sun and rain, and from their enemies. After that, they begin to live independently. Animals learn only a certain number of skills in their life. In comparison, human beings go on learning many more things throughout their life. We are allowed to drive a motor vehicle, vote in an election only after a certain age. Here are some questions. Think about it. Which are some of the tasks you like to do? Which ones would you like to do in future? What things would you like to do just for recreation? What would you like to do daily when you grow up? Some of the early skills like walking and running come with age without having to be taught. However, we have to be taught many of the skills we learn later. We learn many skills from our parents, teachers, and other adults. The greater the number of skills we learn, the less is our dependence on others. Being born with certain features or traits in common with the members of our family is heredity. These are our inherited traits. However, even though many of our traits are like those of our family members, no one has any control over which traits we will inherit and which we will not. We inherit the ability to learn many skills. The growing age is the time to recognize these abilities and to develop our skills. Developing our skills helps us to live an independent, useful, and enriching life. In the topic Constituents of Food, we have already studied about the balanced diet, a diet which provides all the food constituents in right proportion is called a balanced diet and it is necessary for the good growth of the body. Along with nutritious food, adequate exercise is also necessary for growth and development. 1. must also be careful to study well, avoid addictions and their ill effects, develop hobbies, take part in sports, and learn new skills. If we take care to do all this, it leads to good development. Whether boy or girl, each person has every right to get the opportunity to make progress and enrich their own life. Every person is different from all others. Our physical and mental makeup is not the same as that of anyone else. During the growing years, we also learn to tell what is good and what is bad. Our personality can be said to be excellent only when we put good thoughts into practice. So, students, what we have learned today? We grow in height and weight right from birth till we reach adulthood. A newborn baby cannot do anything for itself. We learn many skills from our parents, teachers, and others. We see similarities in people of the same family, even so, every person is unique. The more the skills we learn, the less we depend on others. We can live an independent, useful, and enriched life with the help of skills. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you.